Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trading video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in less than a minute. Gonna watch DKS out of the opening gate, so let's see what happens. I will keep you updated. TLRY looking buy my first bit of shares here at 59.75. I'd like more than 500, but 500 will get my feet wet, so we'll see if we can break down there through 60 or not. I will keep you updated. Okay, GKOS have an order at 65.95. It hit 65.93 and did not fill me, so I'm going to go ahead and move that up to 66.50, and we'll see if it can move up there. Need to get this one alerted in the chat room too. Okay. So 66.50 again, that first entry point. All right, once again, just pause up there, so I'll go 66.95. And this one apparently looking like one where if you want to get filled, you're going to have to get steamrolled for a little bit and have it go against you. So that's just going to be a reality that apparently I need to accept. So we'll see if we can get back up to over 66. All right, GKOS is making another move here. 67.95 is the entry point. Nice, got those. We'll look to build more. 68.75 for another. Nice, got those. So we got a couple of cover orders out there at 68 and then 67.85. Okay, got all out there for 425, but let me get my next order out there. Let's see, double checking 70.55. So yes, I say double checking out loud. If you watch my past videos, then you know that. Sometimes when I'm trying to talk and do these live trade videos, I type in wrong numbers and just do logistical errors that are stupid. But I've learned that if I just say verbally out loud, you know, double checking, I remember to look at the things that I need to. So there was, let's see, $425. And I don't know how long did that trade last. Maybe a minute, 2 minutes maybe. We'll call it 2 minutes. I think it was much shorter than that, but I'm not quite sure. But let's see what else I can find. Next order though on this one up at 70.55. Actually CGC. Pulling back here. So let's, nope, CGC. There we go. I can never get that one right. So let's go 43.37. Double checking. We'll see if we can get down there. I got to get this alerted in the chat room too. There we go. So that's alerted. So now again, just as a reminder, a couple bobbers out in the water. One on GKOS at 70.55, and then you just saw me put this one here on CGC at 43.37. So I will go ahead and pause, and if anything else arises, I'll get the video rolling again. I did put another order out there on Roku, ticker ROKU down here in my order box, but I'm back to watching CGC. So our Roku starting to make another move again. I'm just going to cancel that CGC. That thing's kind of seemingly running out of steam. Getting that alerted in the room, so there we go. Might be a little too optimistic thinking that this thing can get up to 61.35 and fail me, but we'll see what happens. So that again will just be my first 500 shares. But yeah, like I said, might be a little too optimistic. Only time will tell. 70.55 here on GKOS could be coming into play. Okay, I'm in for the first 500 shares. And I'm out. Next order at 71.95, double checking. So there we go. That'll be my next entry point. So got another bit now up to 575. It's 9:41 a.m. So $575 in about 11 minutes. I'll take it. But let's see if this thing wants to keep on moving. Again, next order at 71.95. I will keep you updated. I'm going to do this, mix it up, and I'm going to keep this one more so on the shorter side. As you longer time followers know, some of these live trades are well up over 10 minutes. So like I said, captured a couple good trades, and those gains added up very quickly. So I'll just keep this video on the shorter side here. Plus, if I can just speak honestly, I don't really feel like standing in front of my computer anymore right now. I'm going to go hang out with my kids and just chill out for a little bit. Because when you up 575, I'm happy with that, for less than 30 minutes worth of work. So I just don't feel like being here, like, again, if I can be honest. So before I go though, if you're interested and want me to keep making these videos and enjoy these videos, so how do you display that interest? Just click that like button and hopefully decide to subscribe to the channel as a whole. But like I said, Clay, please keep making these videos. I am interested in them. Click that like button. Very efficient way to communicate that to me. If you're wondering, what are you talking about, Clay? You kept talking about alerting stuff to the chat room. I do offer a live trading room. If you go to claytrader.com, that is called the Inner Circle, and the cost is $99 per year. So I'd encourage you to get out the calculator, do the math. You'll see it breaks down to $1.90 per week. $1.90 per week. If that's not fair, I don't know what is. And then finally, if you're interested in wanting to learn how to trade with charts and implement charts to build a strategy that works for you, I do offer training courses on all that sort of good stuff, again, at claytrader.com. Although, if anything, and you don't spend a single dime, that's 100% okay. But like I said, if you want me to keep making these videos, then click that like button. So thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.